James was a small boy. He lived in a small house with his mother and father. His father worked very hard every day. His mother took care of the home. They did not have much money, but they had love. James was a kind boy. He liked to smile. He liked to help his mother. But there was one problem. James was not good at studies. In school, he tried to listen, he tried to understand, but the lessons were hard, the words were difficult, the numbers confused him. When the teacher asked questions, James stayed quiet. When he gave tests, he failed. Again and again, he failed. Some students laughed at him. James is slow, they said. James cannot learn, they said. These words hurt him. Every day, he came home with a sad face. One evening, James sat alone in his room. His books were open, but he was not reading. Tears came into his eyes. I am not smart, he said softly. I cannot do this. His mother heard him. She came and sat next to him. She looked at him with love and said, James, listen to me. You are not weak. You are just learning. Everyone learns at a different speed. James looked at her. But I fail every time, he said. His mother smiled. Failing is not the end. It is the start. You just need to try again. That night, James thought a lot. He asked himself, can I try one more time? The next morning, something changed. James woke up early. The sun was not even up. He opened his book. At first, it was hard. He did not understand much, but he did not stop. He read one page. Then he read it again. Slowly, he understood a little. That day in school, he listened carefully. When he did not understand, he asked a question. The teacher was surprised, but she smiled. Good, James, she said. That small moment gave him hope. Days passed. James made a routine. Wake up early. Study a little. Go to school. Listen carefully. Come home. Study again. Every day, he followed this routine. Some days were good. Some days were very hard. Sometimes he felt tired. Sometimes he felt like giving up. But then he remembered his mother's words. Try again. So he tried again. One day, he got a small test. He was nervous. His hands were shaking. But he took a deep breath. I can try, he said. He wrote the answers slowly. After the test, he waited. The next day, the teacher came with papers. James, she called. His heart beat fast. He walked to the front. The teacher gave him his paper. He looked at it. He passed. Not a high score, but he passed. For the first time, James smiled in class. It was a small win, but for him it was big. That day, he ran home. Mother, I passed, he said. His mother hugged him. I am proud of you, she said. From that day, James believed in himself a little more. Weeks passed. James kept working. Now, he understood more in class. He answered simple questions. His teachers noticed him. His classmates stopped laughing. Some even asked him for help. But the biggest test was still coming. The final exam. Everyone was preparing. James was scared again. What if I fail? He thought. Fear came back into his heart. One night, he sat with his books. He felt confused. He felt tired. I cannot do this, he said. But then, he remembered his journey. He remembered his first failure. He remembered his first pass. He remembered his mother's smile. He closed his eyes and said, I will try again. He made a plan. Every day, he studied one subject. He revised old lessons. He practiced writing answers. Slowly, he became ready. The day of the exam came. The classroom was silent. Students were nervous. The teacher gave the paper. James looked at the questions. For a moment, his mind went blank. But then, he took a deep breath. He read the first question again. I know this, he thought. He started writing. Slowly, carefully, step by step. He did not rush. He did not panic. He just tried his best. Day after day, he gave all his exams. Then came the waiting time. It was the hardest part. Every day, he thought about the result. What if I fail again? But this time, something was different. He did not feel weak. He felt strong because he knew one thing. He tried his best. Finally, the result day arrived. The school was full of students. Everyone was excited. Everyone was scared. The teacher came with the results. James, she called. His heart beat fast again. He walked slowly. He took the paper. He closed his eyes. Then he opened them. He passed. And not just passed, he got good marks. James could not believe it. Tears came into his eyes. But this time, they were happy tears. The class clapped. The teacher smiled. We are proud of you, James, she said. He ran home again. Mother, I did it, he shouted. His mother hugged him tightly. I knew you could do it, she said. That day, James learned something very important. He was not weak. He was not slow. He just needed time.